The OBS version 30 beta just dropped. Here's 3 big features you need to know about. First up is a new YouTube Live control panel. The Twitch integration has had this for a long time, and now YouTube has pitched in to help give us a panel that shows the current stream title, bandwidth stability, viewers, and chat rate of your YouTube stream, and pairs nicely with the chat dock. As of this first beta, it doesn't work with secondary channels on your Google account, but that'll be fixed up for launch, most likely. Speaking of docks, you can finally make them full height. Previously, they were locked to full width, meaning they could expand horizontally across the whole OBS window, but not vertically. Now you can toggle between those two, which is very useful for those with massive scene lists or for chat docks. This is a great quality of life update. Lastly, for the big changes, the status bar at the bottom has been completely redesigned and looks a lot more modern and better conveys information about your stream and recording status, maintained frame rate, and so on. macOS got some nice updates like improved virtual camera that should finally work in all applications, the ability to hide OBS from screen capture, and application-specific audio capture. That last one is huge. They've also now added a Safe Mode button if OBS detects a crash, which may not always be the first time. For me, it took like 3 times. But when OBS detects a crash, whenever you launch it again, it'll prompt for a Safe Mode button that disables things like plugins, so you can have an easier time troubleshooting what's actually causing your crash. Intel QuickSync encoding is now available on Linux. There's also now a shader cache that significantly improves OBS startup times for those on Windows with big scene collections. Plus, lots of bug fixes. Not the most groundbreaking OBS update yet, but these are some nice quality of life fixes that definitely help a lot, and I'm stoked to see it. You can download the beta and test for yourself at the link in the video description, or by changing your update channel to beta and checking for updates within OBS itself. Just remember, it is a beta, so there are crashes to work out, bugs to squash, whatever. Only really try it out if you're fine with those risks or you specifically want to help test out, but it will release soon. If you want to know why any of this matters and master OBS for yourself, you absolutely need to check out my massive OBS Definitive Guide course at eposvox.gg/course. It takes you from being a complete newbie, or wherever you are, to a complete pro with OBS. Or if you want to upgrade your stream, check out this video on 5 free OBS tools that could improve your setup. Remember to be kind, rewind.